Alejandro came in, he took measurements. I had really old windows from probably the 1960s. They were terrible, they vented air. My air conditioning bill was sky high, and they replaced all the windows. They did a good job. They took out my burglar bars, which was an issue, and they put them right back as expected. And I'm just happy with the work, and it's already cooler in here, and I don't have an AC unit on.
Do you feel the difference already?
I feel the difference already, and we don't have anything on, and I'm able to stand in here without sweating.
So you have that AC unit in there on that window, because in the past, that's where it goes.
Yeah, I had to have it. I had to have that one, and one in the front, and one in my room on. And as right now, there's nothing on. It's about 90 degrees outside, and it's cool in here.
That's cool. Perfect. Thank you so much. Would you refer us?
Yes.
Of course.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much, okay?